how to log in Chase Bank or how to create account and sign up on Chase Bank. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is me Pipin Visnath, and today I'll guide you on how you can log in or create account and then sign in to your Chase Bank account online. Now the process itself is actually pretty simple and pretty easy, so let me guide you through. First things first, what you can do is you can simply head over to your browser, any browser on your device, and then you can search in Chase Bank login as I've done so on the screen. Once you do so, you can see the very first link that says Enroll in Chase Online Banking. So if you haven't yet signed up, you can simply tap on that link. Now here you can see it'll give you an option to enroll now. You can tap on it and then go ahead through the prompts in order to create an account. Make sure to enter in all the details properly. Here you can see you need a bit more for verification: your social security number or tax ID number, any application or account number, access to the phone or email and such. So you want to enter in and then go ahead through these prompts here in order to sign up. Similarly, if you have already signed up and just want to sign in or log in, then at the home page you can see the sign in option at the top right there. You can tap on it, and once you tap on it, it'll give you an option to sign into your account. So this is how you can log in or create account for Chase Bank. Hope this helped you. To like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.